Hello, I'm Alejandro and now I'm going to explain how to work my web page. First, we should open the browser. Now, we write the next text in the navbar. Well, this is the index page. In this left field, we should write our user. Our user is admin and the password is Alejandro. Well, this is the index of my web page. Well, at the top we can see the navigation menu. In this navigation menu we have a lot of tabs. One of these tabs are Home. In Home we can see principal information about the web page. Other tabs are camisetas or shirts. In this tab we can see a slider without more images. Well, in all pages we can see the footer. The footer is the same. Then in Home, on shirts, in backpacks, the footer is the same. Well, now we have other tab name. We have other tab, mochilas or backpacks. In this tab we can buy the products or translate a word. If we click on translate the text in Spanish to English. Well, we can see here the price of products. Can see it there, the description of these products and her name. All of these products are without stale. Why? Because I'm not finished the application. In the tab Otros productos or other products, we can see here a label for searching other products like balloon, pilota, etc. This works with autocomplete using jQuery and JavaScript. Well, now this tab is nosotros or about us. For me, it's one of most important tabs. Why? Because this map of Google allows our geolocalization, and we can see here the same footer with all tabs. On tab configuration we can add new user and more functionalities because they are disabled. Why? Because the server is a free FTP and don't allow more connections than one. In the last tab we can see the chat. Now we can chat without other users. This functionality is now disabled. Why? From the server. The server is free and is a low power. Finally, now I'm going to explain the code of my web page. How can we see the code? Well, we can see it on NetBeans. This is NetBeans, a developed environment of Java. Well, at left we can see this project. This is a project, this is my name of project. We click on it and we can see all the folders, all the files, and in this folder we can see all the images. Well, on the first page when you see is index. With 2 clicks on it you can see the code of index. This code is HTML code. That means isn't PHP. Why? Because the first page is a web page to login, only to log. As you can see, there are many files or many types of files. Well, I recommend it to do backups all days Why? Because you accidentally can delete and a virus can get you on your computer. Well, one of the most valuable type file is finished in .css. .css means control style sheets. That means this file allows all styles of the web page. Control colors, meters, distance, pixels, etc. There are many popular types of files, like .php. This extension allows all types of text. Well, in this type of files, we can do queries. What is queries? Query is insert, delete, modify, clear in database. Well, why we can do this? Because we should use the database to allow our data, our pictures, videos, etc. Other popular type of file is the file .js. Well, this type of file do all the client in your browser. This type of file don't connect with the server, does all in your computer or in your browser. That means the cookies, sessions, etc. does with these types of file. Now I'm going to open a plugin of jQuery. What is this? Well, this is a plugin of jQuery. As you can see, this is a function. This function is written with other people. These people write the function and upload to internet. Why? Because they want that we download it. We download it and use it in freedom. Why freedom? What? Because all developers help us in community. In the future, I will finish this application and I want to try to sell it. Well, friends, good luck, goodbye.